Radhe Radhe everyone, welcome back to my channel Aspirants Horizon. So let's talk about yesterday first. So I was able to complete my target of yesterday in current affairs. I've completed the finance 1st to 7th of May current affairs and I have covered one scheme that is Namaste. In management I have completed communication. In quant I have revised the concept of partnership and I have also practiced around I guess 20 to 30 questions and in practice I have practiced 10 questions of syllogism and 2 questions of di. So this was for yesterday. Now let's talk about today. So as today is Saturday, so I have kept Saturday as my revision day. So today whatever I have learned in this week, I will try to revise it today. So in this week I have done the current affairs of ESI and finance for the first week of May. So I will revise this today because guys I have realized this one thing. Earlier also I was studying but I was not able to retain it. So there is no benefit of studying if at the end day you don't remember anything. So that's why I've kept one day for revision. So yes, I will revise the current affairs, the ESI and finance current affairs, and one scheme because this is the only scheme that I have covered as of now. In management, I have completed two chapters, communication and motivation. So I will revise these today. And in quant also, I will not practice any question. I will only revise the concepts. Like if there is any question that I found difficult yesterday in solving, so I will just go through it. I will revise the concepts of Celox. This will take hardly I guess um, 20 to 30 minutes, not more than that. So I will revise these concepts. And in practice I will not practice anything because for practice and mocks I have kept Sunday as the day for practicing questions and for attempting mocks and also for analyzing the mocks. So yes guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys will also revise. So yes, thank you so much.